Hey yo, it's just the Snowmageddon in goddamn Hollidaysburg, PA. This is all the piles of snow we have. I shoveled 4 times today. Shoveled through here too. They requested that we move our cars, but the snow is up to my knees. I can't even get to the other side of my car. Oh my god. That's my car. That's it. That's all I got. They told us to move the cars from this side to that side, and they're gonna plow this and plow that, and they never plowed this side of the road. My sister's car got stuck several times. I'd come out and shovel her out a spot to park. It's freaking insane, man. This is so much snow. Like, my car is, then she's non-existent. Now I gotta get back to the snow. Snowmageddon, guys. This shit is insane. Be safe. Stay inside if you don't have to go out.